British gardeners, take note. Pruning in September is a secret weapon to transform your garden's future. But why is this often overlooked task so crucial? It's a race against time to boost color, fragrance, and harvest by a whopping 30%. As summer's glow fades, plants prepare for the colder months. September pruning harnesses this transition, encouraging vibrant blooms and robust growth. But here's where it gets controversial. Should you really be pruning so late? Some argue it's risky, yet done right, it's a game changer. Wisteria, trim summer laterals to 5 to 6 buds, keeping the framework tidy. This encourages stout spurs for a spectacular spring display. And this is the part most people miss. It's an art to balance precision and restraint. Raspberries, for summer varieties, remove fruited canes to make way for next year's growth. Autumn raspberries, however, need a different approach. Cut all canes after the first frost to promote clean regrowth. Rosemary, a light trim post-flowering, is key. Aim for a 1/3 reduction, avoiding lifeless wood. This ensures a dense shape, shielding it from winter winds. Roses, deadhead and thin congested centers to enhance airflow. Shorten long shoots to prevent wind rock. But wait, there's a twist. Pause deadheading in October for a hip-filled finale. Tomatoes, focus on ripening by pinching growing tips and removing lower leaves. This directs energy to existing fruits. And the result? A bountiful harvest. Pruning is an art, and timing is everything. Clean cuts with sanitized tools prevent disease. Adjust your timing based on your region's climate, and you'll be rewarded with a vibrant, healthy garden. So, will you embrace the challenge of September pruning? Share your thoughts below, and let's spark a conversation on this often debated topic.